been hung up, I'm too close to the firefight, to your soul. I'm surrounded by your ghost, still taunted by your song. Please don't go, but don't come too. Please don't go, but don't come too close. Close my eyes, take me back home. Close my eyes, take me back to 3 a.m. in the back room. Take your dress off from my fingers, through your hair. Wanna feel you all over me, over me. 5 a.m. little sailboat ride up and down your waves. Wanna feel you are over me, over me. Before I wake up, I still hear you whisper when I'm sleeping alone. But you've been hardened, you're guarded. You don't want me anymore. Please don't go, but don't come too. Please don't go, but don't come too close. Close my eyes, take me back home. Close my eyes, take me back to 3 a.m. in the back room. Take your dress off from my fingers, through your hair. Wanna feel you all over me, over me. 5 a.m. little sailboat ride up and down your waves. Wanna feel you all over me, over me. Please don't go, but don't come too. Please don't go, but don't come too close. Close my eyes, take me back home. Close my eyes, take me back. Please don't go, but don't come too. Please don't go, but don't come too close. Close my eyes, take me back home.